The digital balance pictured in this slide represents one example of a sensitive electronic balance which is being used more and more frequently by compounding pharmacists in lieu of a torsion balance in the preparation of compounded products. Although there are numerous makes and models of digital balances on the market from which to choose, many share a number of common features and utilize the same procedure for weighing, which will be illustrated and described in this tutorial. On the face of most balances, you will find a digital display from which the weight of the components being weighed is read. The units, as well as the number of significant figures being displayed, will vary among the balances and is dependent upon the weighing mode that is selected. The Mode and Tare button allows the user to select the desired weighing mode, as well as to tare or zero the balance as necessary during the weighing procedure. Additionally, the balance pictured here has a print and auto calibration feature. These features are also common to most balances on the market. The weighing pan is located on the top of most balances in the center. It is typically made of stainless steel and is removable for easy cleanup. The backs of most balances contain a number of important components and features. Most will have a leveling bubble as depicted here. The leveling bubble is viewed during the leveling process prior to weighing to ensure that the balance is level, not only left to right, but front to back as well. This is extremely important to ensure weighing accuracy. Pictured here, we also see two adapter ports, one which allows the user to connect the balance to a printer, and the other to connect a power source to the balance. Also on the back of the balance, in the center, we see one of the three leveling screws found on this model. Adjustment of this leveling screw results in leveling the balance from front to back. Clockwise adjustment of the screw lowers the back of the balance, while counterclockwise adjustment of the screw raises the back of the balance. The two front leveling screws are pictured here. Adjustment of these leveling screws results in leveling the balance from left to right. As with the back leveling screw, clockwise adjustment lowers that particular side of the balance, whereas counterclockwise adjustment results in raising that side of the balance. The first step toward weighing is to turn the power on by inserting the power cord into the power adapter plug on the back of the balance, and then plugging the power supply into any grounded 110-volt household current as shown. Next, you must ensure that the balance is level prior to weighing. This is accomplished by first rotating the left and right leveling screws on the front of the balance in a clockwise and counterclockwise fashion, while observing the bubble within the leveling window on the back of the balance. Rotation of the front leveling screws should continue until the bubble is centered left to right within the black inner circle of the leveling window. Next, level the balance from front to back by rotating the leveling screw in the back of the balance clockwise to lower and counterclockwise to raise, while again observing the bubble within the leveling window. Continue rotating the rear leveling screw until the bubble is centered front to back within the black inner circle of the window. The next step is to select a desired weighing mode. Here you can see that the balance, when turned on, defaults to a mode which expresses the weight in grams to two significant figures. If desired, this mode can be changed by depressing and holding the Mode/Tare button on the face of the balance. By doing this, you can see from the display that the new weighing mode is still expressed in grams, but we were able to change the number of significant figures from 2 up to 3 for added accuracy. Other weighing mode options are available and vary among the different makes and models of balances on the market. We are now ready to begin the weighing procedure. We will begin by placing a weighing boat on top of the weighing pan. Note the digital balance will read out the weight of the weigh boat. However, in this example, we wish to obtain 1.5 grams of product. Therefore, before we begin adding our product, we will need to tare the balance to ensure that the weight that we read on the digital display is the weight of our product, not the weight of our product plus the weight of the weigh boat. So, we would begin by placing the weigh boat on top of the weighing pans. Then, once the reading is steady, we depress the tare button until it reads 0.000 grams with the weigh boat on top of the weighing pan. Now, as we begin to add product, the display will give us the weight of our product alone. We can now carefully add our product slowly to the weigh boat as we observe the display, and we continue to slowly add or remove, if necessary, product until we obtain your desired weight, in this case 1.5 grams of product.